Have you ever spent money to invest? Like, have you ever bought a new outfit to impress a guy or a girl? Or have you ever spent money on, say, a new suit or a new outfit for a job interview just because you wanted that job interview and you knew what it was going to get you in terms of income? Now think about that same thing, but spend to invest on yourself. Now I've spent hundreds of thousands of dollars, even millions of dollars on my own education because I knew that I was in control of that. Now I never saw it as an expense, I always saw it as an investment, and an investment that I was going to make a huge, unlimited amount of return on. And that's been true for the last 12 years. I've made a huge multiple on the investment that I've made into myself, and it's going to continue to pay dividends for the rest of my life. So start thinking about where you can invest in yourself, because you're the only thing that can dictate your future. You're the only one in control of that. So take ownership and run with it and control your destiny.